Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for all the beginners out there who wanted to learn how to illustrate a beautiful lehenga skirt. Lehenga skirts are the traditional Indian garment known for their vibrant color and designs. So let's grab our art supplies and get started. To start the illustration, I have sketched the basic shape of the lehenga skirt using a pencil. I began with an horizontal line represent the waistline and two parallel lines below it to indicate the flare of the skirt. And I used a ruler to ensure the straight lines and proportionate measurements. Remember, this is just the foundation of an illustration. And then I have added base color. I have taken poster color pink one. You can go with any color you want. You can go with any medium you want, like brush pens, alcohol markers, even you can go with watercolor pencils. But I went with the poster color because I want the lehenga to be more vibrant. So I choose to go with the poster colors. Remember to color the base color very lightly. Don't go with two coats, just keep it with the one coat, a simple coat, and give more focus on the bottom part where we created our curves. That's going to create the most realistic illustrations. Take a small rounded brush pens to for work on the corners of the lehengas. Now it's time to add some details to our lehenga skirt. Take inspiration from the reference image or even your imagination. Start by sketching the design element on the skirt, such as floral pattern, motif, borders. Don't worry about the perfection at this stage. We can always refine our lines later. So just go with the flow. Adding metallic markers or glitter pen to embellish certain part of the lehenga skirt, such as borders and designs. This will give you the illustration a touch of sparkle and make it even more visually appealing. You guys can even use color pencils or a fine tip markers to bring your lehenga skirt to life. Experiment with different color combinations and shadings techniques to make the illustration pop. Don't forget to add highlights and shadows to create the three-dimensional effect, which I will show in the final. I will show how to create these shadows and highlights. I even made a separate video for how to render folds and add highlights and shadows. I will give the link in the description box as well as in the icon. Go check it out. After completing my designs, now I'm going to overlay or overdo the same designs with my gold pen to give the glittery effect for it. You can use even use the metallic pens, but I prefer gold pens than metallic pens. Using this technique will make the illustration more realistic, and no one will say it's a illustration for beginners because we are giving more intense designs. Guys, now it's time to add our shadows and highlights. You can take the darker version of your base color or even a black color pencils and create the line or the crease lines to show the folds where the folds fall. There will be a high amount of shadows will fall, so we are going to give a nice smooth crease lines, and we are going to follow the same steps for all the folds. Guys, adjust your playback time in your settings because I'm just fast forwarding the video. After completing the skirt, I will make a separate video on how to make the dupatta and blouse for the lehengas. Let's go step by step. It's not necessary to complete all the process with the same. Now I'm taking the brush, a little bit of water to create the crease more smoother because I have added more black there. So I just want to rectify my mistakes. So I took some pens and created the crease line even more smoother. Add some highlights using white glass marker or white color pencils. Don't forget to share your videos and creations with us. I have given my IG page in my description box. Share your works with us. And here you have it, our beautiful illustrated lehenga skirt. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial and found it really helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring different styles and designs. If you like this video, like, subscribe and follow our channels for more tutorials. Bye.